Boom, boom, boom! Ay, oh, yan na! Ay! Mukha ka! Oh, no! Oh, no!
อุ้ยต้องบอกว่า
In the bantamweight.
That to have hurt.
Body movement from him. He shifts another left hand. Big left hand again. There he touches. Down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second. Beautiful left hand there from.
Lista. Izquierdo, los nocao uno. No tiró, tiene que caminar, tiene que irse. Tiene que irse porque se termina casi, no. Tiene que abrazar Tobías. Tiene que abrazar Tobías. Tiene que agarrar Tobías. Argentino, Pitbull izquierda y a la lona se terminó acá, lo durmió.
Isang Pinoy boxer biglang sikat ngayon sa mundo ng boxing dahil sa angking galing at lakas ng kamao nito sa laban. Walang iba kundi ang ating kababayan na si Mel Fajardo na tinaguri ang silent assassin ng Pinas na kung saan halos ng mga nakalaban nito ay ranwan lang ang tinagal ng bakbakan. At dalawang Argentinian boxer nga ang nabiktima ni Fajardo. Una na dyan ang undefeated Argentinian boxer na binugbog at tinapos ni Fajardo sa loob lang ng round 2. At ang pangalawa ang knockout artist na Argentinian boxer. Binugbog at tinapos nito sa unang round.
Tiene que abrazar Tobías. Tiene que agarrar Tobías. Argentino, Pitbull izquierda y a la lona se terminó acá, lo durmió.
Dahil sa pinamalas ni Fajardo sa laban, ay maraming Argentinian fans ang humanga sa husay at lakas ni Fajardo. Kaya naman biglang sikat ang Pinoy boxer sa bansang Argentina. Kung maraming humanga at bumilib sa lakas ni Fajardo, ay meron naman duda sa lakas ni Fajardo. Pagkatapos ng laban ay dali-daling pinuntahan ng referee ang room nila Fajardo upang kunin ang dalawang hand wrap na ginamit dito sa laban para suriin kung anong mga laman nito. At pinapirmahan pa para patunay na galing ito kay Fajardo. Pagkatapos niyang kinuha na agad siya ng ihi para sa drug test. Alam ni Fajardo sa kanyang sarili na malinis siya kaya tinuwanan niya lang ang mga duda sa kanya. Samantala si Mel Fajardo ay mereng record sa kasalukuyan na 14 wins, 3 losses at 12 knockouts. May edad na 26, may taas na 5'4" at lumalaban sa flyweight division. Samantala bago dumayo si Fajardo sa bansang Argentina ay muli natin balikan ang ilan sa mga naging laban ni Fajardo na kung saan binugbog nito ang undefeated Pinoy boxer na si Fernan Agencia at di kinaya ang lakas ni Fajardo.
Oh, no! Oh, no!
Samantala, sunod na hinarap ni Mel Fajardo ang mas veteranong si Richard Claveras na mayroong record na 19 wins, 16 knockouts at 9 natalo. Si Claveras malakas din na boksingero at lamang sa karanasan sa pakikipagbakbakan sa taas ng ring. Ngunit 41 seconds sa round 1 ay tapos na ang laban.
Round 1. Ang araw po ito si Clavero ito sa champion. Magaling na boxer ng araw po.
Panalo si Mel Fajardo by a first round knockout. Samantala, naimbitahan naman si Fajardo sa bansang Thailand na kung saan nakaharap niya rito ang Thai boxer na si Sarawat Jamtong para paglabanan ang IBF flyweight belt. Mayroong record ang Thai boxer na 7 wins, 7 knockouts at 2 talo. Habang si Mel Fajardo ay mayroong record na 9 wins, 8 knockouts at 1 talo. Samantala sa pambihirang pagkakataon dito nakagawa si Fajardo ng world record na kung saan hindi pa umabot ng 10 seconds sa round 1 knockout ang inabot ng Thai boxer.
ยกแรกครับอุ้ยต้องบอกว่าคนภาคยังไม่ทันดูเลยนะครับกำลังจะดูสถิติลงไปเรียบร้อยแล้วครับสราวุธเจียม
Panalo si Mel Fajardo by a first round knockout. Samantala, sunod na nakaharap ni Fajardo ang angas ng Cebu na si Jean-Paul Gabonelas. Mayroong record itong 10 wins, 7 knockouts at 1 talo. Habang si Mel Fajardo ay mayroong record na 10 wins, 9 knockouts at 1 talo. Paglalabanan ng dalawa ang vacant o PBF light flyweight belt. Samantala, sa laban ng dalawa ay hindi pinaporma ni Fajardo si Gabonelas. Binakbakan agad nito ang angas ng Cebu at 3 beses na pinabagsak ni Fajardo Fajardo sa loob lang ng 1 minuto sa round 1, tapos na ang laban. Sa pagsimula ng round 1, ilang segundo lang angat ang dalawang paa ni Gabonelas. Sa lakas ng suntok ni Fajardo, napasubsob pa ang ulo nito sa lona.
Wow! Wow! What a punch there! The power of Miel Fajardo! What a left hook there by Fajardo! Referee, what's the final call, referee? The referee are calling it a knockdown. That is a second knockdown here on the first round. Ang angas ng Cebu. Another knockdown here. And that's it. Ito yun early here. Another left hook there.
Panalo si Miel Fajardo by a first round technical knockout. Samantala, muling napalaban si Fajardo na kung saan nakaharap niya rito si Meller Alapormena. Mayroong record itong 6 wins, 4 knockouts. Sa laban ng dalawa, di malang nakabato ni isang suntok ang kalaban. Dahil sa pagsimula ng laban, ilang segundo lang tapos na ang laban.
In the bantamweight.
That is very quick. A body shot that seems to have hurt.
Panalo si Miel Fajardo by a first round knockout. Samantala, naimbitahan naman si Fajardo at dumayo pa sa bansang UAE na kung saan pinangtapat sa Pinoy ang undefeated Argentinian boxer na si Agustin Gauto. May malinis na ring record ang Argentinian boxer na 17 wins, 12 knockouts at wala pang talo. Sa laban ng dalawa ay niratrat ng suntok ni Fajardo na kung saan 3 beses pinabagsak ng Pinoy ang Argentinian boxer.
Like Firewood, as I mentioned, is 108 pounds, so 7 stone 10 these two had to make on the scales yesterday. Good jab, nice jab there from Gauto, straight out of the gate.
It's nice work, isn't it? They just little think with the eyes running to the belly. And that nice jab to the head.
Jab's a body there for Fajardo. Tried to lead off with a left hook, was short with it. Body shot there for Fajardo.
The left hook there, then as well with the second attack.
I think he might feel he's hurt him with one of those body shots because he's really getting on him here, Fajardo. To go down to the body again there. Then back up to the head, but he was letting his hands go, putting his punches together well.
Solid jab in there from Gauto. He's been a bit busier.
Closes the space down when he throws that jab, doesn't he? Steps into it. And he needs to win for me. He's just gone into his shell a bit, hasn't he, Gauto? Not hugely, but something registered there, definitely. Into the final minute of round 1.
Sharp left to go there from Fajardo there, left hook.
There's a nod of the head there from Gauto. They both land at the same time. He's having a good opening round here, Filipino fighter. This is already turning into a good fight. Right hand there from Gauto.
Better from Gauto. He's got his hands. Got a good body shot himself there. Gauto with the left hook. Oh, good shot.
Oh, beautiful left hand there from Fajardo, and that has put him down hard on onto his back there, Gauto. There was one just before that. There was a left to the body. He went up top, landed the left hand, and there was almost a nod of approval. And then he did it again, and Gauto was just put straight down. No time left in the round, which is just as well. And it'll be very surprising if he doesn't get the win. Big left hand again there, straight at the start of the round, and he's almost kind of dragged down to, not his knees quite, but down to his knees. The gloves touched down as well, but Fajardo just got to get on top of him.
He just needs to stay low for Fajardo and then come in with that left hook. Oh, good fight back there for Gauto. Oh, good left hook.
Gauto hit by left hand, but he's trading here, which could be a problem. Good upper body movement from him. He ships another left hand, big left hand again there. He touches down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second. Left hand puts him onto his back, and he's just so fragile in there at the minute. That's the problem. He's letting his own hands go. He's showing a ton of bravery and heart in there, but every time he gets hit clean, he's going to go down, and he's going to get hit clean because he's wide open at times.
What's the referee doing?
Well, the referee's given him extra time there. He missed the knockdown. There was a touchdown with the glove which he missed, and then he was put down. Fajardo just looking for that left hook. Every single time he can throw it, he is throwing it. Dipping low at the waist there, touches down with the glove again, and the referee doesn't see it. That's another knockdown.
There's been about 4 knockdowns in this round. It's tremendous action, it really is.
It is, it's superb. 1 minute 40 remaining in round 2.
Oh, good shots. Oh.
Another big left hand, and he's taken those two somehow. He's thrown back himself. He goes down to his knees, more in exhaustion than anything else, but the referee does count him this time. The corner are looking on there, the Argentinian corner. I don't really know how much more of this I would need to see if I were them. This is a critical stage of his career, of course. He's 17-0. But I think he's done here, and it's only a matter of time, isn't it? Big left hand again there. The referee jumps in, and that's a good decision from the referee, who missed a couple of touches.
Panalo si Mel Fajardo by second round technical knockout. Samantala muling napalaban at naimbitahan si Fajardo sa bansang Argentina upang makabawi umano ang mga Argentinian dahil sa pagwasak ng Pinoy sa kanilang pinagmamalaki na top prospect ng Argentina, na kung saan nakaharap niya rito ang pinangtapat sa Pinoy, ang knockout artist na Argentinian boxer na si Tobias Reyes. May ring record si Reyes na 18 wins, 16 knockouts at isang talo. Ang laban ng dalawa ay para sa IBF Flyweight Title Eliminator, na kung saan ang mananalo ay siyang mapapalaban sa isang world title shot. Samantala, ayon sa mga Argentinian fans, na mas malakas at magaling daw umano ang kanilang kababayan na si Tobias Reyes, at knockout lang umano ang aabutin ni Fajardo sa kamay ng Argentinian boxer. At ayon naman sa kampo ni Tobias Reyes ay napag-aralan daw umano nila ang galawan ng Pinoy at madali lang umano itong talunin. Dagdag pa nito na pinaghandaan umano nila ang laban para makuha ang title eliminator. Samantala, sa laban ng dalawa ay pinahiya ng Pinoy ang Argentinian boxer nang pabagsakin ng 4 na beses sa harap ng kanyang mga kababayan sa loob lang ng unang round. Tapos na ang laban.
Señoras, señores, a boxear. Arranca el capítulo 1, eliminatoria mundialista. Flip, izquierda y a la lona. Mirá qué mano metió Fajardo. Pero mirá qué mano metió Fajardo. Acostumbrado a los knockouts, no tiró ni una mano Tobías, pero será de Dios. Tiene que caminar, tiene que irse porque se termina casi, no. Tiene que irse, pero mirá vos Fajardo, la izquierda que metió. Pero mirá qué muñeco a la lona, por favor. 6 knockouts, 1 en la carrera de Fajardo. Tiene que abrazar Tobías. Tiene que agarrar Tobías. 2, 3, 4, 5. Falta un montón. 6, es una vida lo que falta. 7, 8, lo agarró dormido, lo agarró frío. Miel Fajardo. Tira el bucal. Busca tiempo.
Estoy en silencio porque estoy perpleja, anonadada de este inicio, no porque no esperábamos este poder de Fajardo.
Está todo el mundo igual, conmocionado, y está a punto de nocaut el pobre argentino. Pitbull izquierda y a la lona, se terminó acá, lo durmió. Ganó Fajardo, lo durmió. Lo durmió, tremendo muñeco a la lona.
Panalo si Mel Fajardo by a first round technical knockout. Dahil sa impresibong panalo ni Fajardo ay mukhang duda sila sa pagkapanalo ni Fajardo. Kaya kinuha ng referee ang 2 hand wrap ni Fajardo para siguro suriin. At kinuhaan din siya ng ihi para sa drug test. Ano masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? Paki-like at subscribe bilang suporta sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat. Salamat po.